No athlete will be selected to represent the country unless they have met all the anti-doping education, testing, and event qualification requirements. So you can see there are three areas here. First of all, it is education, that they must attend education classes, education forums, so that they understand what it is required, what they are required to do, and what the regulations say. The second is that is the anti-doping education. The second is the testing, which I have just talked about. And the third is the qualification requirements. So there are three qualifications. There are three requirements for every individual athlete who will be selected to go for the World Championship or any other international competition. This year we continue being in Category A, and of course you know what it means to be in Category A. There are three categories. There is A, B, and C. And in Category A, it is the federation or the country that has got more risks of getting into this issue of doping.